Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the assembly and operation of your cutter. This video is suitable for R5 to R7. Assembly, cutter attachment. Insert seal into lid. Place bowl on base and turn anti-clockwise. Insert blade. Lock the lid, large tab at front, turn anti-clockwise. Select the speed from 300 to 3,500 round per minute. On button. For one-speed models, speed 1 is 3,000 rounds per minute for 50 Hz machine and 3,600 rounds per minute for 60 Hz machine. For two-speeds models, speed 1, 1,500 rounds per minute for 50 Hz machine and 1,800 rounds per minute for 60 Hz machine. Speed 2, 3,000 round per minute for 50 Hz machine and 3,600 round per minute for 60 Hz machine. Off button. Pulse button. Controls. R-mix function, only for R5VV and R7VV. Select bowl speed. Press pulse and on at the same time. The blade will now rotate in reverse. Off button. Controls. Timer function. No timer set, equal timer counts upwards. Off button. Select plus and minus to reset timer. Press plus and minus to select desired runtime. On button to start timer. Watch next chapter for accessories.